First, watch these videos carefully. The results, the quality, the cinematic visuals, absolutely unbelievable. These types of AI fusion videos are going insanely viral right now on every social media platform. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook, everywhere people are getting millions of views and likes with these short cinematic videos. I recently found a TikTok channel creating these types of hero fusion videos, and almost every upload is hitting massive viral numbers. Millions of views, millions of likes, and crazy engagement. Most people think creating videos like this takes a lot of effort, expensive software, professional editing skills, or complicated prompts. But honestly, that's not true anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these insane cinematic fusion videos using totally free AI tools with amazing quality and super easy prompts. No advanced editing skills needed, no complicated workflow, just simple steps with powerful results. You'll learn how to generate ultra-realistic hero images, how to create smooth fusion transformation videos, how to get cinematic movie quality results, how creators are making viral short videos fast, how you can start creating your own viral content today, and trust me, once you see the final result, your mind will be blown. If you enjoy these videos and want more viral AI content tutorials, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Your support really helps me create more amazing content for you guys. Now let's jump into ChatGPT. This time, I'm not even going to give you any complicated prompts, so don't worry about anything. Just open the GPT section inside ChatGPT and search for Hero Fusion Generator. Wait a few seconds while it loads, and boom, the Hero Fusion Generator is ready. Now click on Start Generator, and instantly it begins generating amazing cinematic video prompts for you automatically. But wait, we want the exact same viral style videos like those massive TikTok channels, right? So here's the trick. Just paste a screenshot from the viral video style you like and tell ChatGPT, please create this type of prompt. Make sure it looks exactly the same. Then press enter. And boom, ChatGPT generates a brand new cinematic prompt that looks insanely accurate and super close to those viral channel videos. The quality looks absolutely amazing, and the results are crazy realistic. Guys, the magic starts right here. You don't need professional editing skills. You don't need expensive software. You don't even need to write complicated prompts anymore. Everything is becoming simple with AI. Now the prompts are ready, the setup is ready, and the results are about to blow your mind. So stay patient and keep watching carefully because the next part is the most important. Don't skip this video. This tutorial might completely change the way you create content online. Your next viral video could literally start today. Now let's move to Flow AI, the tool I use in almost every single video. And do you know why I use it? Because the Nano Banana tool is completely free. Yes, totally free. No payment needed. No subscriptions. No buying prompts from random sellers. No credits. No debit card. No hidden charges. Nothing. So don't worry about spending money. Just copy and paste all the prompts one by one. I pasted all the prompts myself, but honestly, when I saw the result, I was shocked. Not shocked because of the image quality. The quality was insane. I was shocked because Nano Banana refused to generate some images due to policy or character violations. At first I got confused, but don't worry because I already found the solution for you. Simply go back to ChatGPT and type, please remove the violation from this prompt. That's it. Then ChatGPT automatically rewrites the prompt in a safe way by slightly changing the character names, styles, or descriptions, but the final look and cinematic vibe still stay almost the same. So don't panic if your image gets rejected. This trick fixes everything easily. After that, I copied the updated prompts and pasted them again one by one into Nano Banana, and boom, every single image generated perfectly. Now check out these results carefully. Ultra cinematic quality. No watermark, no logos, no copyright issues, clean professional movie-style images, crazy realistic lighting and details. Honestly, every image looks absolutely insane. The quality feels like a real blockbuster movie screenshot. And the best part? You created all of this completely free using AI. Now the image generation is done, and in the next step, we'll turn these images into viral cinematic fusion videos. So stay till the end because the best part is coming next. Now you don't even need to use any other AI tool. Just use the same Flow AI platform for everything. Flow AI gives you free daily credits, and if you use VO3 Lite, it only costs around 10 credits per video. That means you can easily create 10 to 12 cinematic videos every single day, completely free. So stop worrying about results and just focus on creating. Here's exactly what I do. Upload any generated images, paste the same cinematic prompt, and press enter. That's it. The best part is Flow AI has almost no strict limits, so I usually generate 3 to 4 videos at the same time. Again, upload the image, paste the prompt, click generate, then repeat the same process again and again. No complicated editing, no waiting for hours, no rendering stress. You only need to wait around 1 minute, not half an hour, not 1 hour, literally just a minute. And boom, all your cinematic videos are ready. Now check the results one by one. The quality looks insane. The cinematic style is perfect. The motion feels realistic. The lighting and effects look professional. Everything feels like a real movie scene. But I know what you're thinking. Wait, the video is generated, but where is the fusion meetup scene like those viral TikTok videos? Don't worry, we're not done yet. Go back to ChatGPT one more time and type, "Please give me a video prompt for a fusion meetup scene." Then press enter. Now ChatGPT generates a brand new cinematic fusion video prompt where both characters walk toward each other, powers collide, energy effects appear, and the fusion transformation happens exactly like those viral TikTok edits. Now simply copy the fusion meetup prompt, paste it into Flow AI, upload the images, click generate, and just wait 1 minute patiently. No stress, no confusion. I'm here guiding you through everything step by step. Then finally, the magic happens. Oh my God. The result looks almost exactly like the viral TikTok fusion videos. Same cinematic fusion style, same dramatic energy effects, same movie quality visuals, same background atmosphere, same powerful audio feeling. Everything looks absolutely insane. At this point, your full viral fusion video is completely ready. And the craziest part? You created everything using free AI tools directly from your phone or PC. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy AI content creation tutorials. Your support really motivates me to bring even more powerful viral AI methods for you guys.